arrival of international dignitaries at the elegantly adorned Bharat Mandapam was marked by a cultural showcase underscoring the summit's blend of tradition and technology. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to welcome world leaders at Bharat Mandapam today as part of the India AI Impact Summit 2026. According to the official schedule, a family photo featuring the Prime Minister and the visiting global dignitaries will be taken, marking a significant moment of global cooperation in the national capital. The PM will further participate in the opening ceremony of the India AI Impact Summit 2026, where he will deliver a keynote address at approximately 10:25 am, outlining a comprehensive vision for artificial intelligence and its global impact. The summit began on Wednesday when Modi extended a warm welcome to world leaders, including Antonio Guterres and Kristalina Georgieva. Throughout that day, he maintained a hectic diplomatic schedule, conducting 9 bilateral meetings with heads of state and global technology leaders. The arrival of international dignitaries at the elegantly adorned Bharat Mandapam was marked by a cultural showcase underscoring the summit's blend of tradition and technology. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted each guest with handshakes and exchanges of pleasantries, setting a collaborative tone for the summit. Among the notable figures welcomed during these inaugural proceedings were Navi Chandra Ramgoolam, Andrei Planovic, Alexander Vucic, and Sebastian Pillay. The ceremony also included Alarkaris, Peterio Orpo, Kyriakos Mitsotakis, and Bharat Jagdeo. Prime Minister Modi forged ties with Finland and Spain, deepening this diplomatic engagement. The Prime Minister held several bilateral meetings with world leaders and 2 exclusive meetings with global CEOs. These discussions included sessions with Bhutan's PM Tobago Pedro Sanchez and Croatia's Prime Minister Plenkovic. On the corporate front, he met with industry titans Sundar Pichai and Vinod Khosla. These individuals' interactions align with the broader vision of the India AI Impact Summit 2026, which is being held under the theme Sarvjan Hitay, Sarvjan Sukhay, welfare for all, happiness of all. The event is structured around 7 thematic areas, including AI for economic growth and social good, democratizing AI resources, and safe and trusted AI. These themes are being steered by 7 working groups aligned with the pillars of people, planet, and progress. On Wednesday evening, the Prime Minister hosted a formal dinner and cultural program for heads of state and international guests to celebrate the day's achievements. Inaugurating the AI Impact Summit's plenary session, the Prime Minister said that AI heralds a profound transformation in history. India didn't fear artificial intelligence but saw its future in the technology, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, addressing the leaders' plenary session of the AI Impact Summit on Thursday, February 19. I declare this with utmost responsibility and immense pride. We harbor no fear. India envisions its destiny in artificial intelligence, a future that is clearly and profoundly visible for our great nation, Mr. Modi said in the presence of world leaders and CEOs of the leading companies at the summit. India is diligently constructing a resilient ecosystem spanning from semiconductors and chip making to quantum computing, Mr. Modi said, hailing India's clear policies around AI and electronics manufacturing. This comprehensive effort includes establishing secure data centers, a robust IT backbone, and a dynamic startup ecosystem. He added, the fundamental challenges before us is how to transition AI from a purely machine-centric approach to one that is truly human-centric, ensuring it is both sensitive and optimal, Mr. Modi said. It is essential that AI must be democratized, we must transform this into a powerful instrument for inclusion and empowerment, particularly benefiting the global south. Just as GPS shows us the way, but it is we who decide where to go. So too, the ultimate decision of in which direction we must proceed rests entirely with us. The Prime Minister said the way for this was Manav, an acronym that emphasizes moral and ethical system, accountable governance of AI models, national sovereignty over data, accessible and inclusive means, and valid and legitimate usage of AI. Every few centuries in human history, there comes a turning point, and that turning point resets the direction of civilization. And from there, the pace of development changes. The paradigms of thinking, understanding, and working change, Mr. Modi said. And the interesting thing is that when we are in that phase of transformation, then we do not even know its real impact. For the first time, Mr. Modi's speech was live streamed in 7 Indian languages as well as English using AI. In the past, Mr. Modi has used real-time machine translation for his speech at the Kashi Tamil Sangamam, though this was limited to the venue itself, enabled by Bhashini, the IT Ministry's main translator initiative.